Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to troubleshoot your Verizon Wi-Fi extender.
Fix 1. Check power and cable. Step 1. Make sure the extender is plugged in properly. Step 2. Check that the power light is on. Step 3. If not, try another outlet or reset the power cord. Fix 2. Check connection to router. Step 1. Place the extender close to your Verizon router. Step 2. Use an Ethernet cable for setup if supported. Step 3. Wait for the light to turn solid white, means connected. Fix 3. Fix blinking light, issue blinking yellow light. Too far from router. Move it closer until the light turns solid white. Blinking red light. Connection failed. Unplug. Wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. Blinking blue light. Pairing mode. Wait for it to finish. Fix 4. Reboot the extender and router. Step 1. Turn off both the router and extender. Step 2. Wait 1 minute. Step 3. Turn on the router first, then the extender. Fix 5. Reset the extender. Step 1. Find a reset button, small pinhole. Step 2. Press and hold for 10 seconds. Step 3. Set it up again using the My FiOS app or your router's WPS button.